Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for being here again and welcome. So as you know, we have been talking about unit number 6 about knowing where I want to go. So we have been talking a lot about locations, places in your city or town. Where do you want to go? How we can locate a place in our city. So for this reason, I decided to give you a little explanation about some grammar with future going to. This is going to help you out to have conversations about where do you want to go in the future, of course. If you have plans for the future or for your vacation. So in this case, this topic is very important. So please pay attention and write it down, notes so that you can remember about this. Which is very important. So first of all, future going to allows us to express an idea in the near future. For example, we can use be going, well, uh, future with going to in this case for intentions. For example, we use be going to talk about future plans and intentions. Usually the decision about the future plans has already been made. This is an example. She is going to be a professional dancer when she grows up. I am going to look for a new place to live next month. So you have an intention to do something next month, or you think that she is going to be a professional dancer because she right now dances very well, or she's in academy, or she's studying to become a dancer. So this is something that you have intended to do or that you want to do in the future. Also, you can use future going to for predictions. For example, we can use be going to predict something that we think is certain to happen or which we have evidence for now. For example, it's going to snow again soon. So probably the speaker can see dark snow clouds. So due to the weather or things around you, you can think that it's going to snow, it's going to rain, or if it's going to be very sunny or windy. So you can actually predict that because of an external fact, in this case, the weather. And also, second example, look out, he's going to break that glass. You can predict that if a person is playing with the glasses, if the person is drunk or doing something that is not supposed to. So you can predict that actually that person will break that, is going to break actually that glass because of that situation that is happening. What about the structure of future going to? Is very simple, and please write it down. Let me show you here really quick. Okay, so it says that the form of future with be going to, we use am, is, or are plus going to plus base form of the verb. Of course, we need the subject first, be the verb to be, going to, and the base form verb, and you can also add other words. For example, I, which is the subject, verb to be, am, going to, base form, study, other word, Chinese. I am going to study Chinese. Sandy is going to visit museums. This example can fit with the topic that we have been talking about. Where do you want to go? They are going to travel to Beijing. So this is a very simple way of using future, and this is the structures, and it's very easy. You just need to follow the rule and remember the verbs and the verb to be as well, depending on the subject. What about questions? Okay, to form questions, which is very important because you can have a conversation about future. talking about future plans, places you want to visit for your vacations. So this is the way you can form questions. The question word, of course, it could be any of this, plus verb to be, plus the subject, plus going to, plus the infinitive verb in this case. So what about this one? Who am I going to? No, in this case, it will be when am I going to drive? Or why is he going to travel? Or why is he going to eat? So this is like different ways so that you can use WH questions to form questions. So you can use, for example, where are you going to visit in your vacations? Or where are you going to go on vacation? So this is like a way that you can ask for more information questions using future. So guys, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you really like and learn about this particular grammar class. At the end of this activity, I will give you a handout with some exercises to practice future and practice conversations with your partners about future and how you can talk about future and also ask questions as well. So thank you very much for your attention, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.